What's up, everyone? Welcome to the third episode of the MINIWORX Co BBR 50 build. Super excited to wrap this thing up. It's been a good couple months building this thing, sourcing parts from Japan, all over. So after watching the old videos, I realized I kind of never really explained what this even is. So back in the day, from about 2004 until the early 2010s, BBR produced these aluminum frame kits for the mini bikes like the CRF50, the CRF110, and because of the production ending back then, they're just really hard to find nowadays. So if you can find one, you should totally go for it. They're really cool, really rare, and just a lot of fun to ride. We also have a couple new parts under our brand, MINIWORX, that we're going to be showing you on this bike. So let's just get into it. Let's get this thing done. So the first thing we actually did was take the wheels off and install some brand new tires. The old ones were pretty shot, and in addition to the tires, we also got a brand new rear axle and nut because the old axle and nut were pretty chewed up. The rear tire we chose was the Michelin MS3 Starcross in a 2.75/10, and then the front tire is the Innova 2.75/12. We wanted to keep it consistent with a 2.75 width. After that, we got our brand new Takagawa Kickstarter. We actually had to order this straight from Japan. It's a really nice piece. It holds up and just looks great. So for the electrical, it's kind of tricky to wire in the perimeter frame. So I used some industrial Velcro strips and that really cleaned it up so it's nice and neat. So for the handlebars, we're pulling off the old bars because we're debuting our own handlebars. These are the MINIWORX bars in the high rise. They'll be available very soon. They're actually produced for us by Mica. They're super high quality and they look great. And a little secret, using a clear coat spray paint to apply grips. It works like a dream. You would not believe. So moving on, we have brand new UFO plastics. These are made in Italy, super high quality. The colorway we're finally revealing, we're going with a white, black, and a kind of gold. So the tips I have when installing graphics is always use a heat gun or a blow dryer, and always have an X-Acto knife handy to save you from any bubbles that might come up. We're going to take off the old seat cover from the BBR tall seat and throw on our brand new MINIWORX seat cover by Thrill Seekers. You'll know their seat covers are super high quality, so we're really stoked to be working with them and to be making them available to you guys. So now we're going to throw on the gas tank and install the front number plate and the front fender. After that, we're going to take our brand new chain and we're going to install that. We're using a Motion Pro chain breaker to cut it to the proper size. We're going to fill her up with some fresh oil. We're using Valvoline 1040. And finally, the time has come to reveal this thing. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up this build. I'd say it's 99% complete. There are a couple very minor things that we have to do. I think it turned out sweet. Let me know what you think. So the next video is actually gonna be the first ride video. We're gonna get out of the shop, we're gonna head to the track, really see what this thing can do. We actually have our first drop going out today. We have apparel, we have graphics kits, our collab with Thrill Seekers for seat covers. As far as the next build video, I guess you're just gonna have to see. It's just a huge mystery for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video real soon.